In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a subscription on Squarespace efficiently and with ease. If you've decided it's time to stop your billing for one of your websites or simply need to take a break from maintaining it, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First, let's begin by logging into your Squarespace dashboard. This is your control center for all things related to your websites, so you'll want to make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your home dashboard. This is where you can access all your sites and manage the various aspects of your Squarespace account. Now that you're logged in, it's time to select the specific website you want to cancel. Take a moment to look through your list of websites and identify the one you wish to stop billing for. Click on that particular website. This action will take you into the settings of the site, allowing you access to the management tools for that specific website. With your website selected, the next step is to dive into the billing settings. You'll need to head over to the Settings menu to find the Billing option. Once you're there, click on Billing, which will open up further options related to your payments. Here, you'll see various sections, each addressing different areas of billing. We want to focus on the section labeled Subscriptions, as this is where all active subscriptions are listed. In the Subscriptions menu, you'll see your active subscription displayed. Click on this active subscription to reveal more details about your current billing plan. You're almost there. Just one more step to complete the cancellation process. Look for the Cancel option and click on it. Follow any additional prompts if necessary to confirm your cancellation. By following these steps, you'll have successfully canceled your Squarespace subscription. It's as easy as that. Remember, once you cancel, your website will no longer be billed, but note that it might still be accessible until the end of the current billing cycle. This policy gives you a bit of a grace period to make any final adjustments or backups if needed. And there you have it. Canceling a subscription on Squarespace doesn't have to be a complicated ordeal. With these simple steps, you can manage your subscriptions effortlessly and avoid any unnecessary expenses. If at any point you feel unsure or run into issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Squarespace support for assistance. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to guiding you through your next online journey.